Hi, hello. Okay, what we're gonna cook today? I have planned two items. One is poori, and another one is a gravy for poori. So usually we all love to do a potato fry for poori, but I like to do something like a gravy, a spicy gravy. So let's come into the video. Okay, for the spicy gravy item, we're gonna see. So you can see onion here, and then the spices, and also you can see a garlic. A little garlic is just nice, and you can see a small onion. You don't need to cut; you just keep it like this for a spicy curry. And here we have a potato, and also potato I took 2, and 1 tomato, and then brinjal I took 1. So just nice. And then here the curry mixture. So the gravy mixture here, what I put is I mix 2 powder. Okay, the mixture just now is I have a few mixture here to make the gravy more spicy and tasty. So I mix Baba's curry powder, which is one is chicken, and chicken 3 spoon, and 3 spoon of fish curry powder as well, and then 1 spoon of chili powder, and also garam masala 1 small spoon. So that's the mixture here. So I'm going to do very little curry, so the quantity is based on for how many people you're going to do. So directly we go into the video now. So we already put the oil inside. So that another one more item you can add on is coriander. So it can give a good smell. So the first thing after we put this the 2 spices, and immediately you put the onion. Garlic, and also the small onion which we never cut. So these 3 things need to cook in the oil nicely. So since this one is a quick curry, so we can add on the coriander as well. Once it's a bit brown, you can put everything: potato, brinjal, and also tomato. Stir it well. While we putting everything together, we just wanted the potato to get cooked. The rest all need to absorb in the oil. So we need to cook together. Later everything will be munched, so the taste will be different, and it's very apt for the poori. So at this moment we can put this flavor, and we have water. We just can put little water. least it will take minimum 20 minutes for the potato to get cooked. And we can put 1 spoon of salt as well. Curry is ready. I can give the output later. So now we want to see what is the way of my way of doing poori. Okay, poori is very simple. So we need to mix 2 flour. Flour is like we are mixing which is this is a general purpose flour, tepung gandum. So we have to mix it according to the quantity how much you're going to make. So you just today I'm going to make 1 cup each, and also a wheat flour. So mix it together. Okay, after that we need to take a little flour separately. Not it much, just 1.5 spoon, just nice. And for this quantity, add on salt, add on 1 spoon of ghee, and then mix it. Ghee will give a nice texture for the poori, and it will be very soft as well. So now we are making a dough. So this water is a mix of normal room temperature and hot water. We have to mix together, then only you can get the consistency of the dough. So put little by little. Start to make the dough. You can see the dough is not sticky, and you can see I did very little. I'm going to do max 5 poori only, because it's only today only me and my daughter, and my hubby will come very late. That's why my quantity is very less. So this is, so we just rest it for a while, just 5 to 10 minutes, just nice. The dough is already getting rest. So now many have a problem of making poori or chapati into round, right? I had the same problem. So the easy way is, can try, just take a little dough and then try to make inner. This is the best way to get your poori or chapati into one shape. So you can see. So let's try. This is the one, the dough which we, the flour which we took and put aside. So for poori, you need to make a bigger portion. I like the cute one, but not very small as well. So you can see I try to make round. I think you can do it as well. We can see the curry is ready. The gravy, a spicy thick gravy is ready. Now we're going to do Poori. Now we're going to fry Poori. So the oil have to be more, and then the same time the oil have to be hot enough for us to put the Poori. We just need to test it whether we still need to wait, I think. So for the Poori need to come like this, we need to keep on pressing, then only we have to turn around. Do subscribe our channel and have a nice day.